Hi, welcome to the Monetary Policy Update for 2024. The year was marked by rate cuts in multiple countries like the US, Canada, Switzerland, and New Zealand, to name a few. When we rewind a few years back to 2020, central banks around the world eased the interest rates to support their economies during the global COVID pandemic. This was subsequently followed by surging inflation, which prompted the banks to start hiking the policy rates. Now that inflation is showing signs of cooling down, some countries have begun cutting their policy rates. In this video, we'll be taking a brief look at the monetary policy decisions of the RBI and the Fed, the central banks of India and the USA respectively. First, we'll look at the Reserve Bank of India. The Monetary Policy Committee, previously headed by the former governor of RBI, Shaktikanta Das, kept its policy rates unchanged at 6.5% since the last hike in February of 2023. The committee remains unambiguously focused on a durable alignment of inflation with target while supporting growth. The central bank's target for inflation is at 4%, whereas as per the data for November 2024, headline inflation hovers close to 6%, 2% away from the target. Further, when we look at the latest monetary policy update before Sri Das's tenure came to an end, the growth forecasts were revised down by the committee. Also, when the committee convened in October, the stance was changed from withdrawal of accommodation to neutral. And now, Sanjay Malhotra assumes office as the next governor of the RBI. Next, we'll take a look at the Federal Reserve, which is the central bank of the USA. This year was a game changer as the Fed reduced the Fed funds rate by 1% in the last 3 meetings alone. In September, the rate was cut by 0.5%, followed by 0.25% in November and again 0.25% in December. The rate cut spree started keeping in mind the inflation moving closer to the target level of 2% and also to reduce the unemployment levels in the country. November was a big month both monetary policy wise and elections wise. Donald Trump won the presidential election and he is set to take oath in January 2025. While Fed Chair Jerome Powell did say that the election won't have an effect on the policy decisions in the near term, economists worldwide stay observant of how Trump's inflationary tax and tariff policies play out and how they could impact the Fed's decisions. Markets have been quite volatile in the last few months and they possibly might continue to be so, and in that regard, monetary policy plays an important role in shaping market expectations and providing stability during uncertain times. Central banks use monetary policy tools such as interest rate adjustments and quantitative easing to influence inflation, economic growth, and financial conditions. To conclude, the year has been marked by ups and downs both in India and the USA. What do you think the next year has in store?